Hello teacher and hello. My name is Angélica Maquilón Cedeño. I'm 24 years old. I'm studying psychology a semester course. I'm from San Juan de Urabá and live in David, Antioquia. My hobby is watching TV and travel. My favorite fox is dolphins, and my favorite sport is the basketball. Fetish and view like Chof. Plan 1. Switzerland. Import series: Brasilia, Lucerna, Zurich, Ginebra. Typical foods: full of cheese, radettes, roasty. Clothes: jacks, passes mountains and bows. Special activities for you: theater sports, high hockey, ski, mountaineering. Weather: meat and cooked, heat and humid. Thank you. Bye.